Good morning to all. Our last video section we discussed hydration and hydrated salts. In this video we are going to learn about some hydration of salts. The first one, copper sulfate pentahydrate. Copper sulfate pentahydrate. What is the formula of copper sulfate pentahydrate? CuSO4 5H2O 5H2O. The common name of copper sulfate pentahydrate is blue vitriol. The number of water molecules in blue vitriol is 5. What is the formula? CuSO4 5H2O. So copper sulfate pentahydrate contains how many water molecules? 5 water molecules. So it is water of crystallization is 5. The water of crystallization of copper sulfate pentahydrate is 5. When blue colored copper sulfate crystals are gently heated, copper sulfate pentahydrate is which color? Blue colored. This blue color copper sulfate crystals are gently heated. It lost its 5 water molecules and becomes colorless anhydrous copper sulfate. The blue colored copper sulfate crystals are heated. It's lost their water molecules. How many water molecules? It contains 5 water molecules, so lost their 5 white water molecules and becomes form a colorless anhydrous copper sulfate. Anhydrous copper sulfate. See this picture. First picture A contains beaker with test tube with copper sulfate crystals. Before heating, the copper sulfate present in which color? Blue in color. See, second beaker, second test tube B. The copper sulfate heated. After heating, it becomes change colorless. Before heating, copper sulfate present in which color? Blue in color. After heating, the copper sulfate content which color? Colorless. Because why form colorless? Because it lost their 5 water molecules. And cooling process takes place in test tube B. Cooling means what? The water vapors are again formed in colorless substance. The colorless substance adds some water molecules which change into blue color. So come back, anhydrous copper sulfate into blue color copper sulfate. So colorless copper sulfate add some water molecules. It absorbs water molecules and change into blue color copper sulfate. Heating process. Copper sulfate pentahydrate heating process change into blue color to colorless substance. And cooling process, colorless substance change into blue color copper sulfate. It is one of the reversible reaction. Let's see another hydrated salts. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. What is the formula of magnesium sulfate heptahydrate? MgSO4 7H2O. The common name of magnesium sulfate heptahydrate is Epsom salt. The Epsom salt water of crystallization is 7 because it contains how many water molecules? 7 water molecules. So water of crystallization of magnesium sulfate pentahydrate is 7. When magnesium sulfate pentahydrate crystals are gently heated, it lost 7 water molecules and becomes anhydrous magnesium sulfate. What is the formula? Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate formula MgSO4 7H2O. MgSO4 7H2O. On heating process, the magnesium sulfate heptahydrate lost their water molecule. How many water molecules lost? 7 water molecules lost, because it contains how many water molecules? 7 water molecules. It's lost 7 water molecules. It changed into anhydrous magnesium sulfate. Anhydrous magnesium sulfate. Anhydrous magnesium sulfate formula MgSO4. Lost the 7 water molecules to byproduct 7H2O. 7H2O. So this is chemical reaction of heating of magnesium sulfate heptahydrate into anhydrous magnesium sulfate. At cooling process, the magnesium sulfate absorb 7 water molecule and come back to magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. On cooling process, magnesium sulfate. What is the formula of magnesium sulfate? MgSO4. Anhydrous magnesium sulfate absorb water molecules. Absorb this 7 water molecules and get magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. So on cooling process, anhydrous magnesium sulfate change into magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. On heating process, magnesium sulfate heptahydrate change into anhydrous magnesium sulfate. This is also one of the reversible reaction. If you add few drops of water or allow it to cool, the colorless anhydrous salt again turns back into hydrated salt. Anhydrous salt means it not contains water molecules. So this substance adds some water molecules. It absorbs water molecules and change into hydrated salt. Once again recall magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. What is the molecular formula? MgSO4 7H2O. What is the common name? Epsom salt. The Epsom salt contains 7 water molecules. So water of crystallization is 7. When magnesium sulfate heptahydrate crystals are gently heated, it lost their water molecule. How many water molecules are lost? It contains 7 water molecules, so lost their 7 water molecules. So hydrated salt change into anhydrated salt. So magnesium sulfate heptahydrate contains 7 water molecules. It change into anhydrous magnesium sulfate. Anhydrous magnesium sulfate. At an heating process. Now cooling processes takes place. The cooling process means addition of water molecules. The anhydrous magnesium sulfate adds some water molecules. It absorbs chemically. You can change into anhydrated magnesium sulfate into hydrated salt. That means magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. This is one of the reversible reaction. The copper sulfate pentahydrate formula is CuSO4 5H2O. Penta means 5. It contains 5 water molecules. The common name of the copper sulfate pentahydrate is blue vitriol. How many water molecules present this compound? 5 water molecules. So the number of water of crystallization is 5. So when the copper sulfate pentahydrate is blue in color. The blue color copper sulfate pentahydrate heated gently, it lost their water molecules. How many water molecules contains? 5 water molecules. So lost their 5 water molecules, become changed into colorless anhydrous copper sulfate. On heating, the copper sulfate pentahydrate blue color crystals are changed into white colorless substance. On cooling, a colorless compound change into blue in color. This is one of the reversible reaction. These are the two hydrated salt. One is copper sulfate pentahydrate, another one is magnesium sulfate heptahydrate.